When you're in an auto accident, the first thing you should do is breathe, because anyone who's ever been in even a parking lot fender bender knows it's really jarring. Then you call the police, you ask for help, you see if there are witnesses around, you take photos of the other driver or the other person involved in the collision, get photos of their driver's license, insurance, and then you want to report it to your insurance. So there's a lot of steps in a traumatic situation, but it's very important to breathe and then tend to your health. Check in. Are you injured? Do you need to go see a doctor? And if you're not sure, then the answer is probably yes.
What we always tell people is typically there's no hurry. We have plenty of time to do whatever we need to do. And we tell them to focus on their recovery and getting better. However, if they're being pressured by an insurance company or something like that, it may necessitate us getting involved as soon as they want us to be involved. We make sure that the client is in a position where they should be talking. Obviously, focus on your treatment first, not your lawyer. Then we discuss how I can help them, how a lawsuit works, and then we try to find out from the client what they need from us to make them more comfortable, what level of communications that they prefer. And some people want lots of phone calls, lots of texts, lots of emails. Some people want very few. And then we also want to follow up on their recovery, making sure they're doing well, that they have the support they need, and they are capable of withstanding the stress of a lawsuit while they're going through the recovery, because lawsuits are stressful, they just are.
When I was 21 years old, I was in a drunk driving car accident. I was at a bar and my friend's boyfriend put me in the car without a seatbelt on. When the car crashed, I flew halfway out the window, out of the car, and it flipped on me. I had cracked my skull open. I broke my neck and my clavicle, and they put me in a medically induced coma for 6 days because my brain was swelling. When I found out how much money my best friend's insurance was going to cover, I realized that I needed an attorney to help cover my medical bills and stuff that might happen in the future. I knew that I could trust Bamieh De Smeth. They listen, they're very kind, and they're not judgmental about anything. I mean, they get it done.
If you or a loved one have been injured, you should call Bamieh De Smeth. We can help people get through that process and then feel justly compensated.